S&P, we got, what was it, jobless claims today? So some people don't have jobs, it looks like. Um, I guess today was a little bit more trendy after all.
Mostly down.
Yeah, I guess when I was looking at it, it was I just saw a bunch of this, and it seemed like by the time I did look at something, maybe I'm just a little bit bitter because I've made money this week from Theta, but this week has just sucked movement wise. I feel like I've either like the little moves I probably would have taken advantage of. Like realistically, had I been watching, I would have taken advantage of. I missed all of those. I just didn't. I guess I just wasn't glued to the charts. Like maybe I should have been. For now, I really wouldn't worry about the dip buy until this zone. If we woke up above this gray zone, then I think we might push it up tier, which would be reining it back in. Right now, the S&P is the only one outside of one standard deviation. The Qs are actually right on it. Uh, I would go long Nasdaq if it sold off overnight, hit the bright yellow zone. Then I would take a rein it back in play tomorrow because the Qs would gap down below the standard deviation and maybe run it right back up. So given that right, so if it played out just like that, I would do same day expiration on the Qs. The Russell, just I'm gonna call that a type one. And if you say it's not, we can just meet somewhere and fight. Because that's basically a type one. Went to it up to the next zone. Really just went right to that expected move and bounced. Looks like their fireworks are probably done with this one. Last night we drew two standard deviations, thinking that could be a possibility the way it was headed down, but it looks like we're holding for now.